What if we had to split out even a larger log, something like this? What if we had to split that out? We don't have metal wedges, and we just need that split out. We need to make boards, or we want to make something and we don't have our bigger axe. All right, so step one, we're just going to make some gluts, AKA wooden wedges. Now that our gluts are made, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna examine the wood. We're gonna check if there is any checks or cracks in the wood that we can utilize to expose its weakness. In this case, nothing, okay? Absolutely nothing. The other thing that we also wanna look at for this technique is the wood itself. We wanna try to get nice straight grain wood for this. So step one is that we are going to take our axe and we're gonna start to baton it across the face of this piece of wood. Okay, so you can see I made my score line, which is nice and deep at this point. Once I knew it was deep enough and I felt that it was good enough, I'm gonna come to the edge of the piece of wood and I'm gonna start to hammer my axe in there. What that's gonna do is that's gonna start to open up that score line a little bit more. This should start to open up my score line more and more. Now I'm gonna come to the other side of the log. Again, same as this side, and I'm gonna start to work my axe bit in.